Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. Do you have sore muscles? If so, then you know that it is really nice to put a heating pad on them so that you can start healing really quickly. This heating pad from GOQOTOMO is warm and luxurious. It is made of a really nice thick flannel fabric, and it's double insulated so you don't have to worry about feeling the heating elements inside. It would be great for placing on your back if you're having some back pain, or your legs or abdomen, wherever you need, so that you can have some relief from sore muscles or from cramping. I really love that it comes with a super long cord. So if you are using this while you're on the sofa, sometimes there's not an outlet nearby. But thanks to the really generously sized cord, you won't have to worry about being too far away from your outlets. It also is really great because it has 3 different heating adjustments. So you can have whatever temperature that you need, and if you forget to turn it off, don't worry because it shuts off automatically in 2 hours. The heating pad is so great because of its great size and really soft texture. This is a heating pad that will definitely give you lots of relief whenever you need it, and it's really pretty to look at as well. You will enjoy it and feel great relief, but that's just my point of view.